Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Cash App card from DoorDash. First, open your DoorDash app. On the bottom right hand corner, tap on your Me profile icon. From here, tap on Settings and then scroll down and tap Payment. As you can see, Cash App Pay might be set as your primary payment method. In order to remove it, you will first need to select another save payment option like a debit card, credit card, or PayPal. Now swipe left on Cash App Pay and you'll see the option to delete it. Go ahead and confirm and that's it. As you can see, Cash App Pay is now removed. It will show up under Add Payment Method in case you ever want to re-add it later. And that's it. That's how to remove Cash App card from DoorDash. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.